So I'm going to give you a room tour here at Tofino Marina and Resort. Sorry guys, I was not able to show you the room yesterday because we were just so tired when we arrived. So we just went ahead directly to the bed and sleep. So first stop will be the room to your left. Okay, so this is a one bedroom suite. So this is actually the living area. So they have a pull-out couch. So this is the room where my two daughters sleep. And then they have a whole body mirror just before you enter the room. And the door to your right again is the washroom. Come on, I'll show you. So they have the sink, the toilet, and the shower, the stand-up shower. And then they have this, guys, where you can hang your clothes. And then the actual bedroom. So it's a queen bed. And you have this like dresser cabinet here with two chairs on both sides, and you have the mini fridge here inside. So actually it's empty, it's just water. And then you have 3 drawers. And here in Tofino, to be honest, what I noticed is the rooms are not really air conditioned. So I think none of the rooms here in any hotel has air conditioned room. But here in Tofino, they will provide you with this Dyson cool air. Right, there you go. So included in the room, so they have this mini coffee bar here with electric kettle, coffee machine. So they have coffee, tea, and some creamers, and paper cups as well. Don't worry about this. These are souvenirs from yesterday. And then we have this view over here. So when you actually get to see the overlooking of the marina here in Tofino, and you can actually go up here. So there you go. Nice view. So you can actually stay here at the balcony and just chill out, drink your coffee. It's just like a very nice morning with an awesome view. So however, yesterday it rained a lot, so everything that you see, the surroundings, the ground, they're all wet. Hopefully today will be a better weather so we could actually enjoy the beach and enjoy Tofino. So see you guys later. So I'll show you more of what we have here at Marina Tofino and Resort.